Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Untitled Chapter, your girl. Tonight we're talking about finances. Thanks to all of you who have subscribed, who keeps liking my videos, who keeps commenting, and who keeps sharing. It's highly appreciated. I do appreciate your support fully, guys. Thank you so much. So couple of I think 2 weeks back, I posted a video about the importance of a credit shortfall. So some of you have sent me inboxes on Facebook and Instagram. Some of you have texted me on WhatsApp, and you have asked me some questions around that. So I thought I should come back and just do a quick video to you guys on on the follow-up questions, and also to clarify like few things. I'll get into it, and if you're new here, welcome. We love you here, and we hope that you will learn a lot, and we hope that you will contribute also towards our learning as well by leaving us comments and engaging on other social media platforms and reaching me as Untitled Chapter. And then we can come back here and share with everyone else what we learn through these platforms. So what I want to talk about, I want to keep this as short as possible. One of the things that I want to say is, as much as it's good to have a credit shortfall, but you must know that when your car is fully paid up, you don't need a credit shortfall, because it covers you only for the credit that you owe the bank. Number two, if you bought your car cash, then you don't even need to worry about a credit shortfall, because it's a credit shortfall. Number three, if your car value is more than what you're currently owing the bank or the lender who has borrowed you money to go and buy the car, then you don't need a credit shortfall. And which leads me to number four, that if you took it, you must also make sure that you keep monitoring the value of your car, and also you must keep monitoring the debt that you owe the bank, how much you owe the bank. And then whenever you reach that point where the money that you owe the bank is equal to the money that is equal to the value of your car, the money that your insurance would pay out should your car be in a car accident where it's written off, or when your car is stolen, then you don't need a credit shortfall, you can cancel it. Number five, you must always read the terms and conditions, guys, especially when it comes to insurances, because if you don't read your terms and conditions, you find that all along you're paying something, and then at the end it's like any other insurance, and then at the end when the insurance companies need to pay, you find that there were smaller conditions that you didn't read, and then they don't pay out due to certain reasons. One of the things, number six, that I think you need to pay attention to, most of the insurance companies, if you have a balloon payment, which I'll explain some other day if you want explanation on that, or if you have a balloon payment, or sometimes you call it a residual on your car, then most insurance companies, when you take a credit shortfall with them, should something happen to your car, they don't cover that balloon payment. So number seven, if you refinance your car, so refinancing your car, let's say you pay your car down until you are left with 50,000, but your car is still worth 200,000. So you say to the bank, okay, I want to refinance, or you can even transfer that payment to another bank, and then they can give you cash and all that. So if you do that, some of the insurance companies, they don't pay you, because you would have left with 50,000, but now you decided to go and cash up from your car, and now it takes you back to the whole 200,000 amount that you owe. So some of the credit shortfall insurances or insurance companies, they don't pay for that. So you need to, if you do that on your current car, you need to speak to your service provider for the credit shortfall insurance and inform them. You need to be honest, guys, when you're dealing with insurances, otherwise it catches up with you at the end. They normally so keen to understanding you when you go to them up front, because they want your business, they want those installments, they want you to keep paying them so that they can have business. So if you go to them up front and be honest with them, they don't have any reason to come at the end and not want to pay off. So you need to make clear that you tell them when you refinance your car that I've refinanced my car, so will you be able to cover me, yes or no? If they can't, I suggest you cancel that, and then you look for other companies that might be willing to I think if you go and start a new insurance policy with another company to do a credit shortfall on your car, then you might win in that way, because they might cover you. And you tell them upfront, I've refinanced this car, do you know that, and do you understand that? And sometimes it also helps, but most of them, these things are recorded. They will always tell you that. But it's important to make a follow-up on email so that you have something in writing that they say, yes, we know you told us that you've refinanced your car, and we are still willing to cover you should something happen to your car. And what is the last thing that I want to talk about? Same applies to the balloon payment, but I think most of them, they don't cover the balloon payment. So if you've taken a balloon payment in your car, you must just be aware that at the end, should something happen to your car, God forbid, you will be responsible for that balloon payment. It's not even a doubt. So yeah. And then the last thing that I want to talk about, some people were asking, is it expensive? How much is it? Won't I be paying two insurances? No, in my opinion, it's so much affordable, guys. It's between, I think for my one, I thought I was gonna check it before this video, but I couldn't get to it. For my one, I think I'm paying between 30 to 50 rands just to get my car covered. So I hope this helps. And if you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact me through any platform that you can reach me. I'm available on Facebook as Untitled Chapter, on Instagram as well, and I'm also available on WhatsApp for those who know my number. And please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and do not forget to like this video if you found value in what I was just sharing with you guys. And then keep commenting and keep sharing my videos, guys. It's highly appreciated. Thank you so much. Much love. Bye.